Making presentations is one of those tasks that always sounds simple but somehow ends up taking hours. You sit down thinking it will be quick, and then you get pulled into formatting, layouts, visuals, spacing, fonts, structure, and before you realize it, most of your time is gone on things that are not even actual thinking. Recently, I've been testing a tool called Oreate AI, and what caught my attention is how heavily it focuses on removing exactly that kind of friction. Instead of just generating text like most AI tools, it tries to handle the annoying parts of the workflow as well. Let me show you what I mean. The slides feature is probably the most interesting part. You basically type a one-line topic, nothing complex, just a simple idea, and the system automatically researches, structures, and formats an entire presentation. What stood out to me is not just the speed, but the fact that the slides actually look usable. The layouts are clean, the sections are logically organized, and it feels closer to something you would genuinely present rather than something you would spend another hour fixing. Normally, building a presentation means opening PowerPoint, thinking about structure, finding visuals, writing content, adjusting alignment, and constantly tweaking design choices. Here, that entire process is compressed into something that feels almost instant. You still have full control to edit and refine everything, but the heavy lifting is already done. Another part that I found surprisingly practical is image generation. Instead of dealing with design tools or worrying about composition, you simply describe what you need. Backgrounds, visuals, illustrations, social media graphics, presentation assets, all of that can be created with very little effort. It is particularly useful if design is not your strong area but visuals are still part of your work. Then there is the AI tutor feature, which honestly feels like something more tools should be doing. You can either enter a topic or upload your own study material, and it converts that information into mind maps, infographics, quizzes, and flashcards. Instead of staring at dense notes or long documents, you get structured, visual representations of the same content. For learning and revision, especially with complex topics, this can make a noticeable difference. Beyond these core features, the platform also includes long-form writing tools, text refinement, humanizing options, and even podcast generation. The interesting part is not that these features exist, but how they integrate into a single workflow rather than feeling like disconnected tools. What makes Oreate AI feel slightly different from many other AI products is that it focuses less on raw generation and more on usable output. Most AI tools help you produce content, but you still spend time shaping that content into something presentable or structured. Here, formatting and presentation are treated as part of the generation process itself. If you regularly deal with presentations, assignments, reports, visual content, or learning materials, this is one of those tools that actually makes sense to experiment with. It is less about replacing creativity and more about removing the repetitive, mechanical parts of work. If you're curious, I've linked Oreate AI in the description along with a discount code if you want to try it yourself. Tools like this are interesting because they show where AI becomes genuinely useful. Not by doing everything for you, but by removing the parts that slow you down the most. Anyway, I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this. Do you see tools like this becoming part of your workflow? Or do you still prefer doing everything manually? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.